Here we come to the elevator at the Aggie Baptist Student Ministry in College Station, Texas on Northgate. This is a very late Dover elevator from 2001, which makes it a ThyssenDover. So, it's kind of small too. Let's see what the call station looks like out here. Regular Dover impulse. Typical Dover controller. You see this, the COP is kind of a bit loose. This is definitely late Dover. Very late Dover install. Just FYI, I finally got a Dover impulse part for myself, including an older Dover impulse. Started with a bump going up. There it goes.